Hi, it's the law of sines. Yes, we are doing the law of sines today, and we are going to just first draw a very random triangle here, label its sides. This is very useful for trigonometry. Watch to the end, like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. If we label all these sides and the angles like so, the law of sines tells us that if you have a sine of an angle, if you divide that by the opposite side, the side that the angle opens up to, so if it's sine of A over the side A, this is equal to the sine of B over the side B, and this is equal to the sine of C over the side C. Now this works for any triangle, which is a bit unbelievable, so I'm going to prove it to you today. And first I'm just going to erase all of this again and relabel it A, B. And that's it, okay? So now I'm going to start by proving this. I will label this B. If I drop a vertical line down from this, so it's perpendicular. As you can see, this is a perpendicular. Now let's label these sides again. Okay, so A, B, and C. Now, this line, let's label X, right? Now the sine of A, using our SOHCAHTOA definition, right? SOHCAHTOA, the sine of A is equal to its opposite over hypotenuse. Of course, this is in a right triangle, which it is right now. This red triangle here, it is of course a right triangle because we purposely made it a right triangle. The opposite is X, shown over here, so we have X. So sine of A is equal to X over the side B, which is the hypotenuse. Now the sine of B, the angle B, is equal to X over A. Very simple, isn't it? Now what we can do is to multiply both of these equations, which I'm just going to select right over here. Let's move it down. So this equation, these equations here, simply will become sine of A multiplied by B is equal to X, and A sine of B is equal to X as well. So they are equal to each other, so we can just erase that. And apologies. This is equal to A sine of B. Now if you divide both sides by A and B, so AB, then some of them cancel out, and we're left with sine of A over side A, and then sine of B over side B, and they are indeed equal. And this proves the law of sines. And if you want to do it for C, you can just label the sides as a different name. It's the same idea. So there I have proved the law of sines, and see you in the next video. Like, share, and most importantly, subscribe.